Yeah, hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to check the type of RAM, the size of RAM, the specification of RAM in your system without opening the system. So all you have to do is just to take the simple step and follow the instruction which I'm going to be giving in this video. The first step is to come down to the taskbar and right click on the taskbar. You choose task manager. Alright, you can click on expansion so that you can be able to see what's popping up very well. So you click on performance, and here in the performance tab you have the whole specification of the CPU, the memory, the disk, and the Wi-Fi. Alright, so here you click on RAM. Okay, since you're checking the specification of RAM, what brought us to this particular aspect is because we want to know the full details of our RAM. So in my system I have 4 gig RAM installed in it, and the type of RAM is DDR3. Right, the speed of the two RAM, the total speed of the RAM is 1333 megahertz. Alright, so this indicates that I have the slot used indicate that I have 2 slots in my system, and the 2 slot has been occupied, meaning I have 2 gig each DDR3 RAM installed in my system, and the form factor is sodium. That's just the professional name for differentiating between all the RAMs, right? So hardware reserve 90.70, and this is just the specification, everything you need to know about the RAM that has been installed in your system. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with friends. God bless.